So if you found this video, you're probably trying to find the recommended tire size by the manufacturer for your Nissan Pathfinder. The one behind me is a 2017, but I will show you a few different things to look for, and definitely stick around to the end of the video. So if you take a look at the sidewall of the tire manufacturer is going to have a size on it. So these 235s by 65s by 18s. So this is what came on this vehicle from the factory. It's on a factory wheel. But, you know, let's face it, a lot of times we buy used cars, especially like Jeeps and stuff like that. You know, somebody might put aftermarket wheels on it. They might be a size up. They might be a size down. So if you buy like a used vehicle and you want, or even if it's a newer vehicle and you want to double check to make sure that you have the correct tire size on your car, that's what's recommended by the manufacturer. You can find this information on the driver's side door jamb, and that is located right here. So what Nissan recommends on this Pathfinder for the front tires is a 235 by 65 by 18, and it's the same size for the rear. So this matches. We're all set. We did buy this car used, and it looks like nobody messed around with the tire size, you know, before we got a hold of it. So we should be all set. So I hope this video has helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.